Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnection problem on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is automatically disconnecting again and again, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your control menu here and just try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all over your network settings. So once you have done, you have to retry to connect with the same network connection to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it still not fixed your issue, so you have to make sure that you are on the latest version of your Windows. You haven't any pending updates. So now to check that, just press the window button or tap on this window icon here, and then simply search for settings. And in settings, just look for Windows Update. Select Windows Update option here, and then tap and check for updates to check if you have any pending updates or not. So if you find any kind of pending software updates, just try to update your software, and after updating software, your issue will be fixed. You will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you just have to press the window button here and then tap on this power icon and then tap on restart to make a restart with your device. So it's sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by restarting your PC or your laptop. So after restarting, you will not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, just right click on your Wi-Fi icon here and then tap on network and internet settings. So it will open in your settings app. You just have to make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN. If you have any connected VPN here, just try to disconnect with that. And you have to also make sure that you're not using any proxy. Just select proxy here, and you have to make sure that you haven't any set it up proxy. If you have already set it your proxy, just try to delete that, and after deleting your proxy, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. So if it's still not fixed your issue, just tap on this advanced network setting option and just scroll down and look for network reset. Just select this option here and then tap on reset now. After reset network settings, so it will make a reset all over your network setting of your PC. Once you have reset it, just tap on this yes option. It will make a restart with your PC, and after restarting, all over your network setting will be resetted. So you will not get any kind of issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.